Americanization. Americanization refers to the process through which individuals or groups from other cultures adopt American customs, values, and lifestyle. This concept often involves the influence of American culture on various aspects of life, such as language, food, fashion, and entertainment. The term emerged in the early 20th century, during a period of significant immigration to the United States, when efforts were made to assimilate immigrants into American society. One notable example of Americanization is the widespread use of the English language. Many non-English speaking countries incorporate English into their educational systems, media, and business environments, often prioritizing it over their native languages. Another example is the global popularity of American fast food chains, such as McDonald's and KFC, which have become ubiquitous in cities around the world, offering American-style cuisine. Additionally, American movies and television shows dominate global entertainment, influencing fashion, speech, and social norms. Lastly, American holidays like Halloween and Valentine's Day are increasingly celebrated in various countries, blending American customs with local traditions. Let's look at three benefits of Americanization. First, it promotes cultural exchange and understanding. By adopting elements of American culture, people from different backgrounds can find common ground, fostering global communication and cooperation. Second, Americanization often leads to economic benefits. The adoption of American business practices and consumer goods can stimulate local economies and create job opportunities. Third, it enhances access to information and education. The prevalence of the English language and American media can make it easier for people to access a vast array of knowledge and cultural content. Now let's explore three criticisms of Americanization. First, it can lead to the erosion of local cultures. As American culture becomes more dominant, traditional customs and languages may be marginalized or lost, reducing cultural diversity. Second, Americanization can contribute to cultural imperialism, where the values and norms of American society are imposed on other cultures, sometimes leading to resistance or resentment. Third, it can create economic disparities. While some may benefit from the economic opportunities provided by American businesses, others may be left behind, exacerbating existing inequalities. Famous theorists like George Ritzer have discussed related concepts, such as McDonaldization, which describes the spread of American efficiency, calculability, predictability, and control in various sectors. Scholars often debate the impacts of Americanization, with some emphasizing its role in global integration and others highlighting its potential to undermine local identities. To learn more about McDonaldization, watch this video next.